Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Fatima. Today, I'm going to teach you about the passive tense. Most of the time in English, the subject performs or does the action and the object receives it. Sometimes we want to emphasize or highlight the object and the action more than the subject. This is when we use the passive tense, a tense that switches the direction of the action. Let's learn how that works. Look at this sentence. Sue makes the cookies. Sue is the subject of the sentence, and the emphasis is on her and what she is doing, because this sentence is in the active tense. But maybe I want to highlight the cookies more than her. To do this, I use the passive tense. The cookies are made by Sue. Here is the formula. We use the subject, and then is, am, or are, depending on the subject. Then we use the past participle, and then we use the by. The by part of the sentence is the person or the thing doing the action, but this part doesn't have to be included for the sentence to make sense. The past participle of make is made. Notice I used are because the verb needs to match the subject, which is now cookies, and it's no longer Sue. Let's do another example. The house is cleaned every Sunday. Here, it doesn't matter who is cleaning the house. We are emphasizing that the house is cleaned. Cleaned is the past participle of clean, and the house is now the subject. Often in English, you will hear the passive tense on the news to emphasize an action or event. The news anchor will say something like, "Trash is found all over the city. Story at 5." Here, it's not important who found the trash. It's more important that it's all over the city. We use the passive tense when the person or thing doing the action isn't important or isn't known. If we want to talk about ongoing actions in the passive tense, we use the passive continuous. To do this, we add being between the is, am, or are and the past participle. So for example, we could say, "Don't worry, the dogs are being fed by John." Here's another example. "I can't make dinner. My kitchen is being painted." Here, it doesn't really matter who is painting the kitchen. It matters that it's being painted, and that's why I can't make dinner. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. We'll be talking about the passive tense in the past. See you then. Bye.